Hey y'all, it's your girl Viva La K, the CEO of Viva La K Luxury Hair Co, of course, and I'm back with another tutorial. As you can see, we got us a lace closure and a wig cap. Already marked my lines for where I would like to sew my wefts on, and right here I'm just getting into it. Okay, so right here I'm just basically sewing the wefts onto the wig cap, and yeah, that's about it. So I started with adding the blonde hair first, then I went ahead and started adding in the black hair. My client requested that she has blonde highlights in the back and blonde highlights in the front, so y'all see what this will look like in a minute. But before I show y'all what it's going to look like, let's just talk about how you should make sure your lines are being followed when you add in your wefts onto the wig cap. Because if you don't follow the lines on your wig cap, baby, that wig is going to be jacked up. I'm telling you. So just go ahead, make sure you follow the lines with the machine and take your time. It's all about taking your time. Once you become a professional and stuff like that, then you want to go ahead and hurry up the process. But alright, let's get into these curls. My client requested for some big curls, so guess what? I'm gonna hook her up, you know. Okay, so now I'm just curling the hair and grabbing my clips so I can pin the curls while I go and work my way on up to the top. So make sure you got your clips ready, ladies, so that y'all will not mess up while y'all going to the top of the head. I like to start from the back and work my way up. I feel like it just helped the process for me to move quicker and less hair in my way, so yeah. I love how my client requested to have these blonde highlights in the back. I just feel like it's just super cute. And it's different. This is my first time doing a wig like this, actually. So I'm excited to see what the outcome would look like. It's like the more I started working on this wig, it just started to scream Nicki Minaj to me. Like, I really could see Nicki Minaj in this wig. It's giving Bad Barbie or something. But let me know which celebrity y'all think would slay this wig, because I'm gonna reach out to them. Like, seriously. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Okay, so now it's just time to go ahead and flatten up the top to make sure that my client, once she receives her wig unit, she'll be able to just add her lace tint, cut her lace, and just wear her wig. The wig will be styled once she pull it out of the packaging. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and style this up for her, and let me know what y'all think about the final outcome. And now she's ready. Please comment below and let me know which celebrity y'all think would slay this and who I should reach out to so they can slay it.